everyone, my name is Besam and you're welcome to the channel Get Brighter Skin. Today is Halloween. Happy Halloween everyone. And even on the spookiest of days, your skin needs help. So that is why I want to show you how to do a skin brightening Halloween mask. And hey guys, make sure you watch this video till the end because I have a super tip for you on how to make your DIY product work perfectly on your skin type. So keep watching. So in order to make our mask, we would need 3 ingredients: a pumpkin, honey, and lime. These are amazing ingredients for the skin, especially the lime or lemon juice. It is a natural skin bleacher. It helps to clear dark spots, and the honey is an antioxidant. It helps to prevent and cure acne, and the pumpkin is so rich in vitamin A and C, which help to rejuvenate the skin. So right now I'm just going to prepare my pumpkin to cook. I'm gonna cut it into tiny little pieces so it cooks very fast, and I'm gonna wash it properly. Here I washed it twice, though I didn't show it. I'm going to add water into my pot and set it on the fire to boil. While my pumpkin is cooking, I am going to prepare the other 2 ingredients and set aside. Now I'm choosing half of the lime. I decided to use lime this time because I've always used lemon. So from this lemon juice, I'm just a teaspoon of my lime juice and add into a mixing bowl. And then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of my honey also and mix the 2 ingredients together. Now that my pumpkin is ready, I am going to blend it into a very, very fine and soft paste. Going to stir the 3 ingredients together until they're fully mixed. So guys, this is the end result. This is how my mask looks like. I'm going to wear this mask and let it sit on my face for 15 minutes before I wash it off with lukewarm water. This is a great mask. If you're looking to have glowy skin, please try this mask and let me know what you think in the comment section below. And hey, staying beautiful is my passion. What about you? What is the thing that keeps you passionate? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.